Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your Clash of Clans chat visibility, since there is no direct delete all chat button within the game itself. It is important to understand this distinction upfront, as many players seek a simple solution that does not exist. We will go over several effective methods to refresh your chat view and improve your in-game privacy, focusing on what you can control. These steps help clear locally stored messages or prevent old conversations from appearing on your screen. To clear locally stored chat, start by going into your device's settings menu. Find the Applications or Apps section, then locate Clash of Clans. First, try clearing the app's cache. This often refreshes the game's temporary data without affecting your login. If that does not sufficiently clear the chat, you can clear the app's data, which will essentially reset the app. Be prepared to log back into your game account if you choose the data clearing option. One effective way to clear your personal clan chat history is by simply leaving your current clan. When you exit a clan, all the previous messages from that clan chat are immediately cleared from your game interface. You then have the option to join a completely new clan or even rejoin your previous one. Upon rejoining, you will see a fresh, empty chat log. Remember, this action only affects your view and does not delete the chat for other clan members. It is important to understand that public global chat is no longer a feature in Clash of Clans, which simplifies chat management significantly. However, existing clan chat messages are stored on Supercell servers. Players do not have the ability to individually delete specific messages from the clan chat history, nor can they delete the entire clan chat for everyone. New messages naturally push older ones out of the visible window, but these older messages are still archived by the game system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.